Hello children, let me explain you problem number 9 in exercise 9.1. Listen the question. The angle of elevation of the top of a building from the foot of a tower is 30 degrees and the angle of elevation of the top of the tower from the foot of the building is 60 degrees. If the tower is 50 meter, find the height of the building. So there is a building and a tower. Okay, from the uh, foot of the building, if we are looking at to the top of the tower, the angle of elevation is 60 degree. The top of the tower from the foot of the building is 60 degrees. So imagine DC is the building and AB is the tower. The height of the tower is 50 meter. It is given, but we don't know the height of the building. It is unknown. So when we look at from the uh, bottom, that is foot of the building, to top of the tower, the angle of elevation is 60 degree. At the same time, from the foot of the tower, when we look at the top of the building, the angle of elevation is 30 degree. If this is the case, find the height of the building. How you will find the height of the building? Okay, first let us draw the diagram. AB represents the tower, which is 50-meter high, and CD represents the building. The height is unknown. From the foot of the building to the top of the tower, the angle of elevation is 60 degrees. And from the foot of the tower to the top of the building, the angle of elevation is 30 degrees. Okay, now in triangle ABC, I'm going to use tan 60 degree. Why I am using tan? So the angle of elevation is here. The side AB is just opposite to the angle of elevation. So I am relating angle opposite side and the adjacent side. So the trigonometry ratio which connects angle opposite side and adjacent side is tan. So I am using tan 60 degrees is equal to opposite side AB divided by the adjacent side BC. What is tan 60 degree? It is root 3. So root 3 is equal to AB by BC. Here we know the value of AB. What is the value of AB? It is 50. So we are going to substitute it. On substituting it, we get root 3 is equal to 50 by BC. So on cross multiplication, we get BC is equal to 50 divided by root 3. Name this as equation number 1. Again, consider the triangle BCD. Now consider the triangle BCD. When you consider the triangle BCD, the angle of elevation is at B. So we want to find the height of the building. So this is opposite side to angle B. So this becomes opposite side and BC becomes adjacent side. Again we are relating opposite side, angle and adjacent side. So we are using tan 30 degree. Tan 30 degree is equal to opposite side CD divided by adjacent side BC. What is tan 30 degree? It is 1 by root 3. So 1 by root 3 is equal to CD by BC. On cross multiplying, we get BC into 1. BC is equal to root 3 CD. The value of CD is unknown. Let us take CD as H meter. So we are writing this as root 3 into H. Name this as equation number 2. From 1 and 2, we can see both the left hand sides are representing the values of BC. So right hand side of 1 and 2 must be equal. On equating the right hand side of equation 1 and 2, we get 50 by root 3 is equal to root 3h. So we want to find the value of h only, no? So take this root 3 to the left hand side. We get 50 divided by root 3 into root 3 is equal to h. Root 3 into root 3 is 3. So 50 divided by 3. 16 3s are 48. So when you multiply 16 and 3, we get 48. The remainder is 2. So when you write this in mixed fraction, you can write it as 16 2 by 3. Just 3. See, 16 3s are 48 and the remainder is 2. So 50 by 3 is 16 2 by 3. So height of the building is 16 2 by 3 and the unit is meter.